What if the fastest way to grow your income as a trader had nothing to do with your trading at all, but everything to do with a camera? Most forex traders think YouTube is just a place to post videos, but YouTube might actually be the most underused marketing tool you have access to. So by the end of this video, you're going to understand why YouTube actually matters to a forex trader, specifically how it actually turns into income and the mistakes quietly stopping people from getting there. Now, forex traders should treat YouTube as an important marketing tool for two main reasons. First, compounding reach. Second, video equity. YouTube is different from any other platform. The content on Instagram and TikTok actually live for 48 hours before they get drowned by the millions of other videos designed for people with a very short attention span. But a YouTube video you make 8 months from now can still get views because someone is searching for a specific problem you talked about, and I call that compounding reach. It doesn't just get views once, it keeps building on itself over time. Here's what this actually means. If I make a video talking about what a Forex IB is, and 8 months from now, someone is searching for what an IB is, my video is capable of showing up and bringing me a new viewer that has never heard about me every single month. When it comes to YouTube marketing, especially for Forex traders, video equity is like the difference between getting a job and buying an asset. Compared to long form content, creating a reel is like day trading, right? You put in the effort now, you get rewarded right now, but tomorrow morning you have to wake up and start doing it all over again. But a YouTube video is like buying equity. Once you script, film, and edit, and the video gets published, it keeps paying you back. New followers, new views, new leads every single month. So the difference is one gets the job done after you've put in the work once, whereas the other one requires you to consistently churn out content for you to stay relevant. And that's the reason why two traders can post the exact same amount of content and only one of them is actually building something that compounds over time. Now, all that information is just as important as who your video attracts. Many Forex creators think growing online is just about posting consistently, but every video you post attracts a specific kind of viewer. Take my channel as an example. I upload videos specifically for traders who want to turn their knowledge and their network into income. When you make and post content, you must always remember that you're building a room full of people that would potentially want to work with you. Either people that are going to buy your performance products or even brokers that are looking for people to partner with. But the most important question most people are going to ask is, how will all the knowledge I'm sharing turn into income? Remember, we talked about performance products, signals, education, copy trading, robots, and EAs. Now, all of these broker incentive thing wouldn't be possible without you actually building an audience that trusts you enough to use your link or even buy these performance products from you. And YouTube is literally how you build that kind of audience. When you make long form content just like this one, sharing your unique experiences and helping people solve their problems, the more time they spend consuming your content, they build trust over time. But the biggest mistake I see most Forex traders make on YouTube is that they make content people watch and forget instead of making content that connects with people. There is a difference between giving out information and making someone feel as though you are speaking to them specifically. When you give out information, your video gets watched once and people forget about it. But connecting with people is what actually brings them back to your channel, and that's exactly how your channel is going to grow. With that aside, there's one thing that's killing so many traders and stopping them from building a powerful personal brand online, and that's chasing virality. And to be honest, the Forex niche isn't that place where you go viral. You see, trading content doesn't explode like lifestyle content does, except you're one of these traders that's making day in the life videos like most of these gurus, posting pictures of your expensive meals in restaurant. But the question I need you to ask yourself is that, how will a picture of your food, your expensive food, help a trader who's struggling to become profitable? You see, the more people chase virality in this industry, they end up getting more disappointed because it takes more than luck to build anything substantial in this industry. All of this will actually make more sense if you avoid the biggest mistake most Forex traders are making in the Forex space, and that's niching down. Most Forex traders niche down on who they are talking to instead of niching down on the problem. Imagine if I try to make risk management videos for only traders who are funded or only traders who trade futures or crypto. That's just an audience I'm talking to. But the problem of risk management exists in the financial market regardless of whether you trade gold, crypto, futures, past or present. So don't niche down on the audience, niche down on the problem. But there's 2 action steps I want you to take today. First, write down one problem you could speak to consistently in this industry, sharing your own unique experiences. Not a niche, not an audience, but a problem. And once you've built an audience, you need to turn your network and your knowledge into income. So I made this video explaining to you in great detail how to do that. So click on that video so that we can spend more time together and then I can gain your trust.